taking mornings slowly, waking up with the sweet sound of the birds, reading books and sipping coffee. I forgot how much I love getting lost in words. Well, it took us a while to get here. It took the world falling apart, but maybe we needed to take a step back to remember how lucky we are. It's like time is falling asleep in the afternoon, sunlight that's keeping us warm. Against our will, we're finally sitting still and savoring the days before they're gone. I wonder how it took us this long. Spend our evenings telling stories and playing games like we were all kids again, sitting on the front porch laughing. It's gotta be the finest medicine. It's like time is falling asleep in the afternoon, sunlight that's keeping us warm. Against our will, we're finally sitting still and savoring the days before they're gone. I wonder how it took us this long. This long. Falling asleep in the afternoon, sunlight is keeping us warm. Against our will, we're finally sitting still, savoring the days before they're gone. I wonder how it took us this long. This long.
Tried to keep my love out, my head down. Heavy is the heart that breaks. You hit me like a merry-go-round. All at once it was too late. I keep falling, falling, calling back to you. If I'm honest, I want this. I got nothing left to lose. Come catch me if you can. I'm ready for it. Love is heavy, but baby take my hand, I'm ready for it. I've been running for my life, but I wanna call you mine. So just catch me if you can. Got a little too burned, too hurt. Last time I fell in this deep, but looking